Hello. All right, let's try and go into that. Okay, so there's a redirect. That, and then copy that into the host. Refresh, and then we have the login. Cool. It's a bit the UI. Anyway, let's try root. Root. Right. Wrong username. Redirecting. See if there's any directories that we can Buster. Enumerate. User share word list. Buster. Medium. We use blank extensions. Hang on. PHP, yeah. All right, we'll use PHP extension to see if there's any. Start the enumeration. Check if it's okay. We'll use a basic nmap scan. So map. All right, sudo nmap. There we go. Here we're basically just getting an average. Sorry, a basic nmap scan. Scanning the 1000 ports. All right. While that's running, we'll continue with. I want to use Hydra to see if that's available. The nmap scan is done. So we're going to use Hydra to get the username and password. I don't think it's recommended, but we'll try and see if we get anything. User share word list and the user, no, sorry, it's in sec list username, and we'll use the top username. And for the password, user share word list and rocku file to get the lookup.thm, which is the URL for that, and HTTP post form. Oh, I accidentally pressed enter. And then if we take a look at, if we use Burp Suite, which I don't know why it's not showing up there, but Burp Suite, we can try and get the response to make it easier. Then we don't have to wait or use the web developer tools. And also, Burp Suite has a lot of functionalities on the community version. I would like to get the full version, but currently there's no need for that. Open the browser. If it opens, take some time. I'm pretty sure it's going to open like 4 browsers. Yep. All right. So we will go into this URL. And then in Burp Suite, we will intercept and use the password root now. Why is it not intercepting? Is it because I was using Firefox root intercept. We're going to send this to the repeater and send that response. We get a response, username, wrong username or password. Please try again. And we're going to use this in the Hydra. So it's the hang on. Okay, post login there. Post login.php, and it was user name, user, password equals pass, and then the not invalid, wrong. This one, I believe, invalid. I think it's that. Double check that. All right, so we have the username, user, and password. Password. Login PHP, username, user, password, wrong username. Let's try that. Admin. Admin. What happens if we do this? Wrong password. All right, so previously we got, hang on, where is it? Wrong username or password, please try again. And this one we have wrong password. So admin is potentially a admin is potentially the username. So we could use Hydra again, but with wrong, please try again, with the user admin, and then that, see if that does anything. So basically, Hydra, we try to brute force as admin, and we use the password direct. We use the password list, rock you. We use the domain HTTP post form, which is we found here post, and the password is from the list. Failure, in this case, wrong password. Please try again. There, and then if it shows any sign of redirect or 200 status code, it will go ahead and show that here. Perfect example here, right as I said it. So the password here is 123. Let's see if this works. So I'm going to use Firefox because Chrome is using with Burp Suite. Username is admin and the password is 123. All right, so we get wrong username or password. Nothing in the dir buster. Well, password 123. I want to add another, so we use that, send it. Close lookup. I believe the port is 80. Can I duplicate it? I think it's 80. Nope, don't use that. And send. All right, we get a 200 OK. But for this one, wait, admin. We also get 200 OK. Wrong username or password. Please try again. Let's see if we get anything from one is nothing. This is wrong username or password. Please. Wrong username or password. Please try again. Nothing there. Okay. What if we wrong username or password? Please try again. Password 123. Wrong password. Please try again. I think instead of wrong, no, that's a failure. No, I think we could try redirecting in 3 seconds instead of using this. So then that way, where every time it shows this redirecting in 3 seconds, it will fail and it won't show me the password. But we could try that. Use it. Use it in here. So Hydra. The failure is going to be redirecting in 3 seconds. And this one is going to be a checklist, username, top username, and then wordless rock you. Hopefully it's not eating anything, which is okay. 0.80 to prevent overwriting. I'm going to try some different approach. And this room is lookup. Lookup. Make dr lookup. All right. Strips. And short. Nope. Shortcut. New file. Create new file. New folder. Remove key binding. New file. All right. Find user.py Python and import request. And then the URL is lookup. And then its login.php file is going to be names. So the user share checklist username ls top username, that one. Top usernames.txt. Top username.txt. Try with open file r as file path as file for username in map string. All right, so this script would verify the valid usernames. So if it's the wrong password, it will be username found right there, and that will try and print out the correct username. So if we were to run this, hopefully it cd TryHackMe and then the lookup Python 3. There we go. Nothing. Script Python 3 find username. Nothing. Oh, I didn't save. I should really auto save. I don't know why it wasn't working. All right, so I'm back. Had some issues with finding the username. Took a while to debug. Took a while to find out the issue, but we got two username from the Python script. I updated the Python script to use my top username shortlist there. But other than that, the Python script didn't really change much. So right now we can try and brute force using Jose. Had some issues with the admin, so this one isn't going to work. So we're going to try with the Jose. Where's Jose? All right. See if that gets anything. That's the wrong password. Please try again. That is correct. Jose. Wrong password. Please try again. Okay. So Jose, user, share word is rock you. Wrong password. Please try again. All right, so it looked like we got something from same password 123. If password 123. We got a different finding the site. So this isn't okay. This isn't like. All right. Let's see what happens if we add this to the host, which we can do with sudo code. Host. So add this. And refresh. We get into Finder. Swaddle. What? we open all of them? Why? This looks like just some random. Anything in trash? Trash could have something. Places. Alright, so we have files. Only begotten. No finder. Open source file manager. Open source file manager for web written in JavaScript and JavaScript using jQuery and jQuery UI. No finder. Oh, wait. No finder. Here we go. PHP connector, command injection. Ooh. Let's fire up my favorite tool. So LFinder Web File Manager version 2.1.53. How can I get the version of this? Need like some sort of about. How to get LFinder version? How can I check the current version? Press the blue info icon. Blue info icon. Here we go. Volume root files modify. What? Volume root. This tells me nothing. Toolbar all. Hang on. If this is. Can I ping it? Yes, I can. Sudo nmap. 180. I'm not sure if this is going to tell me anything. But if I find any version of the. From where? About the software. I clicked on that. I clicked on it and I get nothing. I got nothing. What? Maybe it's a different version? About this software. I get nothing. I get volume root. Is there anything with LFinder? Nope. Don't know. Doesn't tell me. Oh, this one. Okay. What did it say? Okay, the question mark. I'm blind. Version 2.1.47. And this one is 2.1.53. LFinder, which. Possible. I think it's possible. Web file manager version. No control. There's no CVE number, but we can try and see if there's anything. Search LFinder. So we have info 3. Info 3 archive command injection. This closed 2021, and this is 2024, which is last year. PHP connector, XRM command injection. Info 4. Hang on, where's my info 4? Very difficult to find. Info 4, okay. I'll find a PHP connector, xiftrain, command injection, PHP Metasploit framework. Promise. This module exploits a command injection vulnerability in LFinder version prior to 48, and this one is version 47. All right, we'll try and use this one prior to 48. Use for show option proxies our host. We have our host at this one. Set our host. Set our host. And then HTTP server. Why no? Payload options. Listening port. Yeah, that's fine. And lhost, we are set lhost to my IP, which is IP. This one. Set lhost. Show there. Show option. So hang on. Did I not? I set lhost listening host to this. Set lhost show up options. Show options. Why is my lhost not changing? Set l. Oh, sorry. Without this. Show options. There we go. All right. So we have the victim's host 246. Let's confirm it is 246 port 80. Confirm it is on port 80. We can also tell by going into we can also tell by going into Hydra, which is gone. Here it is, port 80. I think we can run. Restart a reverse TCP handler on exploit aborted due to failure. Non-vulnerable target is not vulnerable. No session was created. Set our host. Browse lookup. All right, so it worked. And interpreter session opened. Let's go. Who am I? Dub dub dub. We can do a. Hang on. Can we do a reverse shell? Stabilize shell. Okay. Um, who am I? Let's Linux. Okay. I want to try and upload. Um, let's upload file in P. cd dev shm chmod lin ish lin psh. Okay. Do not forget to test Sue as other user would show without password. Software information, useful software, base curl, cat, Python 3. Any like dash RC, some form of IDRSA, searching common path files, SSH hosts, searching folders owned by containing other files, lookup THM, public HTML login, index files lookup. Sudo terminal is required to read the password. Either use S option to read the standard sudo s dash. I need a password for that. Terminate channel now. No active sessions. What? Distributed session. How do I list the session? Right, I have that session. Session I2. page cd cd home cd home ls cd hang on cd sync ls user at user.txt sudo at user.txt. Right? I don't know the password. Nope. Nope. Oh man. And I need the Python. What? Okay. cd home sync ls. Okay. Data binary path. To uh say user is owned by root. How are you executing this? Running ID command to extract the username and user ID. User let's bin user local bin user bin binary. Let's trick the program into thinking executing different ID command on that export path array path. Okay, so export path into temp path. Can't do that. Wait, I did do that or no? Temp. Okay, we have to temp. Now create a temp ID. Following content. At temp ID. No. Oh, okay. So nano temp ID. No nano. Vim. Okay, we have Vim. Vim. Vim temp ID. And then we try to create bin bash echo UID equals 33. What? That's so confusing. Oh. Clear. What? Background. Clear. Sessions. 2. Sessions. Session ID 2. Sessions 2. Shell. CD temp. Nano. Please have nano. There's no nano. Cat ID. Cat ID. Okay. So what was it? Run the user has been what? Running ID command, running ID command. That ID. Sync get 33 sync group 33 sync. What? Oh my god. Vim ID. Port. Clear session 2 shell e into temp plus at ID vim ID. Vim is on an output on a terminal. What? Okay. Exit. Background that again. Clear session shell cd temp echo cat ID. Okay, now user sbin. What was it? God. What is going on? Cat temp ID. Chmod executable ID. Then we run user sbin oh my god. Echo path. Okay, so it's not in the okay. Export path temp path. Then we run it again. User sbin pwm. Yes. Oh my god. All right. We tricked the binary into extracting thing as a username, and we got back what seems to be the password list. We have this as a password list. Um, let's save that list to a file on our Kali and brute force the sync using SSH. Okay. So save. So save this into Kali. TryHackMe. Lookup ls lookup sync pass list.txt. Is that really from? Looks like it. Right, so now that we have that password list, we can use Hydra. I think we use the lookup.thm 22. And so we use the lookup password list. Think. Right, so we got something. SSH into the user think, and we use. Hang on. We use. I think we use this one. Where's lookup.thm? Yes. Password is Yes, we got it. All right, cat user.txt. All right, we got the user flag. What is the root flag? Can we be sudo bash? Can we use this? Sorry, Zinc is not allowed to look up. Um, sudo. User think may run bin look. May run. Uh, sudo user bin look. Who am I? Think. We'll try and bash in the temp root, and then chmod that into an executable, I think. Executable temp root. Really? Echo bash root. That's nothing. I couldn't create it. Root. Nothing. Okay, so sudo user bin. Hang on. Can I list cd root? I can't. Wait, but I can use think user bin think root. SSH ID RSA. But we can use this boundary to read files on the system, and since we can run this as root, we can read any files. The fastest win would be to root's private SSH key. Sudo user bin look. User bin look root.ssh. I am very not. Sudo user bin look. Nope. Sudo user bin look root.ssh ID RSA. I'm just gonna go ahead and use limpies. Permission denied. I can't. Uh, sudo user bin look root.ssh ID. If binary is allowed to run a super user by sudo, it does not drop the elevated screw. Exist file. We can use this binary to read files on the system, and since we can run this root, we can read any file on the system. So if I were to go into GTFO bins and sudo no GTFO bins all user bin look. I don't know why I'm not allowed to. User share data word notes as well. Why is mine not working at all? Sudo L. Sudo L. Hang, what? No way. I was in some different shell. Okay. Sudo look user no root s dot ssh id rsa. What is going on, man? Sudo L. What? Okay. Sudo look user no root dot ssh id rsa. How is this possible? Did I do it wrong? Okay, we got it. I've had this issue before. Can I? Can I do it? I don't know. I don't know. We'll try. ls nano id rsa lsch mod make the id rsa permission and then root, I believe, so sshi with the id rsa root at not necessarily this, but this. Can we do that? Yes. Okay, we got it. All right. So where are we? We're in root. Cat cleanup sh. Remove var w files lookup thm public l finder files.php. That removes everything. Here we go. Got it. All right. Don't worry, because I just found it. That was fun. I mean, like, I really enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.